Okay, let's look at this question. 8 books, 3 are about Europe, 3 about Africa. Now let's look at the question to determine whether is it a permutation or combination question. The range, if you see the word arrange, then it must be a permutation question. Now, so is 8, why 8? 5 plus 3, total is 8 books, okay? The first part of the question doesn't have any specific requirement about Europe book or Africa book. So, if that's the case, so what you do is you just consider them as 8 books, okay? So you're going to take 8 books per book, okay? So we have to assume that you take the 8 books, okay? That means you take 8 out of 8, okay? And then you're going to arrange the 8 of them. So basically, this is 8P8 arrangement, okay? This is very straightforward. Now, let's look at part 2. Part 2, there's a specific requirement whereby the 5 book must be kept together. In other words, let's say these are 5 books, okay? Then you have the Africa book, book 1 of Africa book 1, Africa book 3, okay? So this is 5 Europe, 5 Europe books. This is Africa 1, Africa 2, Africa 3. Okay. Now, let's say we consider this is one of the arrangements whereby the Africa 1 occupies the second spot, Africa 2 occupies the third spot, and Africa 3 occupies the fourth spot. Okay, and then the first spot is occupied by the 5 Europe book. Now, with this specific arrangement of the Africa book 1, 2, and 3, these 5 books here, actually we can arrange them. Okay, how many ways can you arrange the 5 books? So basically the answer is just 5p5. Okay, so with this specific arrangement is 5p5 times this is one specific arrangement. Okay, so for this arrangement within the 5 book block that you have, you actually have 5p5 times 1. This is one of the arrangements. Now, let's look at the 4 box, the box here. Now, how many ways you can arrange these 4 boxes? One way, A1, A2, A3 in this specific arrangement. For this arrangement alone, you have 5p5. That means the book inside this single block is arranged 5p5 times 1 for this specific arrangement. Now, let's talk about one block, block 1, block 2, block 2, 3, and 4. Okay, how many ways can you arrange this? This is basically 4. I'm going to take 4 of them and I'm going to arrange them. So it's basically 4P4. That is arranging these 4 blocks. Okay, 5P5 come from the arrangement within this single block of the 5 books from about Europe. So that's it.